Up in Harlem, where the vermin meet, and the poor folks ain't got nothing to eat, and you're never quite safe, I found. But Mayor Koch runs this town, and his honor does his very best to bring order and clean up this mess. There's adversity all around, but Mayor Koch runs this town. The police make mistakes, and sanitation ain't too cool, but they are only human, and they're an exception to the rule. And the subways and the taxis too, they spell trouble for me and you. What a problem just being around, but Mayor Koch runs this town. When you're walking, please walk with care. There are animals in the streets out there. Just keep walking and wear a frown, but Mayor Koch runs this town. There are junkies, bag ladies too. I feel sorry, there's nothing I can do, but I'm hoping a solution can be found, 'cause Mayor Koch runs this